Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this really soft look for you guys using all Black Opal. So let's get into it. Okay, so first I'm going to be priming my face with the Black Opal Invisible Oil Blocking Primer. This is like a blurred type of primer, so it will blur your pores and all that great stuff. So I'm going to be using this first on my face. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows a little bit. I'm going to just do what I normally do, and then I'm going to move on with the rest of my face. So now I'm going to go in with the Invisible Oil Blocking Powder, and I'm going to apply this all over my face before I begin to add my concealer and foundation. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Flawless Concealer in the color Bronze from Black Opal. I'm going to be putting this under my eyes, on my nose, chin, and my forehead. So now I'm going to be using this Mineral Matte Cream Powder Foundation in the color Ebony Brown, and I'm going to be putting this on my face, and then I'm going to blend that out. This is actually a really good foundation. It had a lot of coverage and it was really good for me, and I found it easy as well to blend out. Okay, because I could not find eyeshadow from Black Opal, I'm going to be using this Black Jade on my outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to be blending it out just for like a slight smoky look. I'm also going to be putting in this same eyeliner like under my eyes. Obviously it's the eyeliner, so I'm going to be going in with that so that it all blends in together seamlessly, and then I'm going to move on to my eyelids. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Nude Glow highlighter from Black Opal, and I'm going to be putting this on my eyelid. And then I'm going to just press that out just a little bit or whatever. And then I'm going to also be using this as my highlighter as well. So it's going to be doing double duty today. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Black Opal Waterproof Mascara in black. And I'm going to be using this on my eyelashes. So right when I thought I was done, I forgot my lips. So here we go. I'm going to go in with the Black Opal lip gloss in the color Uptown Brown, and I'm going to place this all over my lips. So now I'm going to be using the Deluxe Finishing Powder in the color Deep, and I'm going to place this powder all over my face as kind of like my setting powder. Hi you guys, so this is the final look. All products used in this video were from Black Opal, and this video is not sponsored. So I really do hope you guys like this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll get notifications whenever I post a new video to my channel. I thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.